Yeah, good morning everyone. So, andito tayo ngayon. So, we're about to view a 2-bedroom, 53 square meter corner unit for rent here at Infinite Towers. Tara, tignan natin. So, yan. Ako na entrance. Sa left side is yung living room. Yan. Well-designed yung living room. Ganda ng furnitures. This is the dining set. There's the living room area. The sofa, the TV. And there's a balcony on the living room, no? So this is facing Cubao area. Yan, Cubao. So yan may coffee table. Yan, magandang tambayan, yung balcony. Yan, tapos sa right side naman, nandito yung kitchen area. So yan, kitchen area. So yan, a well thought of kitchen area. Induction. There's the range hood. Yan, range hood siya. Tapos, ito yung kitchen sink. Yan, kitchen sink. Kitchen cabinets. Ayan, kasama lahat yan. Tapos yun, pagkakatipid na refrigerator, which is 5-star in terms of energy label. Yan. So, 2-door na. And inverter na siya. So, yan. Eco-Nav inverter na refrigerator. So, ayan. Ito naman tayo sa bathroom. So, ito yung bathroom. Ayan, ganda ng bathroom. And then, naka-water shower heater na rin siya. Ayan. So, hot and cold. Pwede, tapos may shower phone. And then, effective din, gumagana din itong rain shower. Ayan. So, yan. So, itong salamin niya is may ilaw. Yan. May ilaw siya. Yan. Lighten. Yung TV. And then sa right side, katabi ng bathroom is itong washing machine cabinet. May provision siya for lalagyan ng washing machine. Although wala siyang washing machine, no? Kasi some tenants prefer to have their own. Pero nakabang na may outlet, may water supply, and yan, may outlet din siya. Tapos may hanging shelves na rin. And then, sumunta tayo sa bedroom number 2, or the smaller bedroom, which is set up for office space. So, ito na siya. Office space na siya, may chairs. And then, yan, may cabinet. Aircon, 5-star aircon rating again. So, napakatipid sa kuryente. So, ito yung cabinet niya, which is bought at IKEA. So, yan. Sulit tong tenant dito kasi yung lalaki ng cabinet. So, yan. Tapos, yung office chair, office table. Yan, full setup na. Tapos, sa bedroom, you're going to master's bedroom. So, ito yung master's bedroom niya. Queen size bed, no? With pull-out cabinets. Ayan, may mga pull-out cabinets siya. Ayan. Pull-out cabinets for space efficiency. And then, itong napakalaking sliding cabinet. Ayan. So, ayan, laki pa ng salamin, no? Titignan natin yung salamin niya. Ayan, very, very nice. And then, mahilig mag-TikTok dyan. Gumawa ng video. Nagsa-selfie. Perfect ito. Tapos, yan, isang side ng cabinet. Tapos, inverter aircon na rin siya. 5-star energy label na rin. Yan, LG na inverter aircon, 1 horsepower. So, ito yung balcony. So, this is the balcony side, guys. Ayan. It's facing high top or Cubao area. Yan yung Cubao. Yan yung high top. Malapit na grocery. And there are banks here sa area na yan. And then yung LRT station is nandito. So yan. If you're interested guys with this unit, feel free to contact me or message me on my contact information provided on the description below. Thank you. And guys, so ganda ng unit na-treat na natin. So yan. If interested kayo sa unit, my contact number is provided on the description below. Yan, message me or call me anytime. Or if you want to rent this unit, we can negotiate sa rental rate. Okay, so yan, kontakin nyo ako ha. Thank you. See you around. Bye-bye.